What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando to check out the Three Kings celebration going on through January 6th. Let's head inside the park and check it all out. Well, we have made our way inside the park, and again, it is Florida winter. Cold right now. I mean, we're talking like somewhere in the low 50s, and I know Lauren is freezing right now.
It's not good.
Yeah, this is disgusting weather, but we're here to have some fun, and we're gonna do that. Again, we have all sorts of Christmas decorations still up, but we now have some Latin music playing for Three Kings. Now you may be wondering, where is the Three Kings celebration actually taking place? Well, it's right over here inside the Mako Plaza, and there's some booths set up and other things. A couple more food items here. We have empanadas. Of course, we have the potato stuff with savory beef and bacalitos, I believe that is correct. Thin, crispy, salted codfish pancake, and let's check that out. And one of my all-time favorite things, coquito. They have it here.
With the Latin parranda, the Three Kings celebration. Un toquecito de nuestras festividades. SeaWorld Orlando. Alright, get up for yourselves and we'll be back at 3 p.m. Alright?
Apparently, if you head towards the entrance to Mako, there's a photo opportunity. And if you want live music, go this way. If you're hungry, we have Pinchos, and we have the chicken and we have the pork version, $5.99 each. This is where they are serving it up hot and fresh, right across from the flamingo boats.
Um pouco.
Yes.
Got him aqui. Come here. Take that. Sorry, I didn't know that.
Of course, what is a celebration here at a theme park without a little bit of merchandise? Let's get a little better look. And here's some of the Three Kings merchandise, and we have the Three Kings themselves right there. We have angels, crosses, and even some festive nutcrackers.
He must have been watching the updates that we do.
I know, his mouth is wide open. He's like, oh my gosh!
Bienvenida a ustedes a nuestra celebración de los Tres Reyes. Hello, my name is Abija, the storyteller, and it is my honor to welcome you to our Three Kings Day celebration. Now, I'd like to thank our camel, beautiful camel, for leading the way for our Three Kings. Now he has to go back to the barn to take a little nap. Let's all say, thank you, camel. Gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias, Dios. Alright, today is un día de música, comida, and special gifts. Perhaps some of you have already got your shoe boxes, tu caja de zapatos, ¿verdad? ¿Sí? ¿No? Ah, pues ustedes deberían. Do you all know why you should leave out your shoe boxes at night? Anybody? Ah, you see, los niños around the world dejan sus cajitas and fill it with grass and hay, hierba y agua for the camels to eat. Y después rápido, then they slip the boxes under their beds and rápido se van a dormir. En la noche, the camel of the Three Kings might visit and leave and eat their treat, while the reyes dejan regalitos, little gifts for the children. Oh, it's so exciting when you wake up in the morning to find these special treasures, sorpresas, that remind us of gifts that were given to a very special child by 3 wise men many years ago. Wait, who are the Three Kings? Perhaps you do not know the story. The tale of los Tres Reyes began in the distant past, en un sitio muy lejano. Imagínate, you're roaming the endless desert, Traveling in those ancient times, 3 wise men traveled the desert on camel. Una noche, they sent to a stable where they found el niño adorado, overcome. Melchor, the king of Persia, ofreció regalos de perfume, the gift of frankincense. Baltasar, the king of Arabia, ofreció regalos de aceites, the special oils of myrrh to the child. Estos tesoros eran perfectos para un rey. Of course, this is just one of the many. Well, gracias, and thank you for allowing me to share my story with you. Now our story time has ended, but our Reyes, Gaspar, Melchor, and Baltasar will love me, each and every one of you. Thank you for joining me today in celebrating and preserving this beautiful memory. And enjoy the rest of your day at SeaWorld's Three Kings celebration.
So this right here is the photo opportunity spot, and of course we have the Three Kings and some of the other animals around here, llamas and all. But we're about to do a photo opportunity, and Lauren, let's go do this. So again, this is the photo opportunity spot. We have the Three Kings and animals. This is a neat little day. So right after you're done taking your photo, directly across the way we have a photo spot where you can view and purchase that same photo. And if you are interested in that said photo, it is $10 and it's a 6x8. Now, one of the reasons why the animals are located where they are for the Three Kings celebration is because A Wondrous Night is still going on. As we can see, there's still 2 showings, 5:30 and 7 o'clock. Now, the stables for the animals are located right here since they're featured in the show. And it's kind of fitting that it's actually right here for all the Three Kings stuff. Well, it looks like the big crane is on the move. As we can see that thing going forward. So here we can see a very large concrete form being lifted into place by the crane, and these concrete forms are finally getting some height. And this piece of equipment has not moved since our last update. Hopefully soon it's doing something. Let's check and see if the Sky Tower is open today, and no, it is closed due to high winds, but it's kind of funny, it was open when we first got here.
Perché non possono saltare? Ora salta. Guarda qua.
Tira la otra hija por lo menos. Vente, lo vea.
Guarda, guarda. Ciao, amico delfino.
Well guys, that is going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando, and today we checked out the Three Kings celebration. It was really kind of neat seeing the parade with the animals and the kings themselves coming in over by Oh Wondrous Night. I gotta say, it was a smaller show, but it was very thoughtfully done. They had tons of food options and a little bit of merchandise, and it all looks very nice. I do hope this event expands in the future as, well, it's already bringing in quite a few guests. Of course, we have Manta doing its flyby right now. And we had a chance to check out Infinity Falls for a quick second. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.